guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Viney Wash period, and on this channel we will discuss so many things. So if you like, why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the red notification bell so you can be alerted every time I drop a new video. So today we are going to try this Kiss French acrylic kit. I purchased this kit from Target for like $9.99 and it looks like it comes with everything. Let's take a look and open it up. So it doesn't have everything listed, but it says new bubble-free acrylic formula, and it says 40 tips, so that's like 2 sets of nails, right? It comes with natural tips, the clear and white, a brush, I guess, for the acrylic powder, maximum speed nail glue, acrylic liquid, a nail filer. It looks like it's a sharp part and it's like the buffing part, as well as a cuticle, the cuticle tips. Look, I'm not a nail tech. So we are going to prep the nails, and how we are going to prep the nails, I have fingernail polish remover, and I'm gonna take a cotton swab to go in and wipe any residue or nail polish or anything on my nails. So now we are going to use the cuticle tool, and we are going to push our cuticles back. Be gentle because you can damage your cuticle area and you can cause it to bleed, so please be gentle. So now you're going to take your nail file and use the side of the buffer. You want to buff your real nails, and the purpose of this is to reduce the oils. And the way you can tell whether or not you have oils on your nails, if the nail is shiny. When the nail is shiny and you apply the false nails, 9 times out of 10 the false nails won't hold to your real nails. So just make sure you buff it off. So now it is time to apply the false nails, and you're going to take your Kiss nail glue and you are going to apply a little to the false nails and place that false nail at the tip of your real nails. You do not want to place it near the cuticle area. You want to place the nail on the tip of your real nails, okay? You're going to do that one by one. it is now time to cut those long ass nails. Some people use a nail clipper, I'm using scissors. Okay, and then I am going to shape it to where I like my nail length and width to be. Okay, as you can tell, I am filing it on an angle. I don't want it to look really boxy, so I'm gonna file it and sharpen it down and make sure it's even. So as you can tell, I'm cutting and filing the nails one by one. I'm filing it on an angle. So I like my nails really sharp because I like for them to look natural. I'm already a nail biter, so if you watch any of my previous videos, you would see that I have really sharp nails, almost like nubs. Unfortunately, it's the truth. So when I do get false nails, I like my nails short because one, I'm not used to dealing with long nails, so at any moment I feel like I can break a false nail and that false nail will really take my real nail off, so I'm very cautious of that. But I prefer short nails. So I cannot use my left hand to save my life here. So as you notice, I'm a little bit struggling with the nail filer, but you know, I'm making it work. The filer is not moving, my hand is moving. So I am filing my nails the best way I can. And if you are like me and you cannot use both of your hands, but your right hand is pretty much stronger, just move your left hand. It's hard, but it works. I am coming up with all kind of ways to make this nail filer work, you guys, and I don't think I did a bad job. I did a very good job. Now time to apply the acrylic. You're gonna take the acrylic liquid and you're gonna pour it in a glass cup or anything that you can use to hold the liquid. You're gonna use the amount that you believe is right for your nails. So the reason why you don't want to take the brush and dip it into the actual liquid jar is because you're going to contaminate the liquid, and once that is contaminated, you cannot use it anymore. And the thing that is so funny, remember, you have 40 tips, girls. You can do literally 2 sets of nails. How much does it cost at the nail shop? Just for acrylic alone, it's like $20. So you're spending $19 to do your nails twice. So keep that in mind. As you can see, I am applying the acrylic to the false nails. I am taking tiny beads and I am pretty much brushing it on my nails. And I'm trying to shape the acrylic the best way I can, and I don't want it to be too thick and bulky. So I'm taking like little beads and I am smoothing it out on the nail. Gently, people. You don't want to do it really hard. And the best part about it is, honestly, if you get any of that acrylic on your skin, you might want to quickly clean it off, okay? You do not want to have that dry to your skin because it's going to harden on your skin and it's going to look like a false nail. So you want to be mindful and you want to be as clean as possible. If I honestly had to rate this brush, I would definitely rate it at probably a 5. Like, it does not hold the acrylic on the brush. You know how usually if you tap the brush and the powder, it usually forms like a ball instantly? No, that is not the case here. You have to be really careful because it carries like a lot of liquid, but it doesn't like absorb the powder, so you just want to be careful. And if you can avoid using this brush, please do. But if this is all you have, make it work. So now that I'm finishing up with the acrylic, you have to allow the acrylic to dry for at least 5 minutes. The acrylic is dry and it is now time to shape the nail to remove any lumps, bumps, or anything. So I am officially done buffing. Now I'm gonna take my Essie nail polish and I am gonna polish the nails. FYI, this pack does not come with a primer, so if you're serious about your nails, you might need to get a primer. So I am going to go in and just polish my nails and make it look extra pretty. And it does. It really does look pretty. So my nails are super close to being done after this last pinky nail, and ta-da! It is now finished. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Until next time, see you later. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe.